Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Credit Snipers? This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassins team. Guys, I'm excited to be here today. I'm excited to keep talking to you about business credit. There are so many components of business credit that you need to learn. Guys, I understand, trust me, the Credit Assassin himself keeps learning new things about business credit every single day. But I tell you what, we are there, we are in the trenches learning every single day. My team, we have more than 100,000 hours. We're talking about that's 10 doctorates, guys. 10 doctors learning every single day, but we have actually gained the knowledge on how to create personal and business credit. I want to bring that to you. So today I want to talk to you about the components of building the strong credit score for your business. Now, if you are here in this channel, I know that you're trying to better yourself. I know that you're trying to learn. I know that your credit score is probably not where you want it to be, and you want some optimization, little tricks in order for you, for you to actually fix and scale your credit. And that's what we want to do here, guys. We want to help you. We want to make sure that we give you the tools that you need in order to get you to the next step. And again, let's talk about business credit, because I understand that a lot of us were tired or did not want to work for an employer anymore. You wanted to create your own business. You wanted to make sure that you have control of your time and the possibilities of making the generational wealth in the future. And doing it for somebody else is not going to happen. So hey, this is what we want to do. We want to make sure that we help you. We make that process, because you have a lot to think when you have a business. You have operations, you have marketing, you have so many things. But one of the things that business today in the United States fail is because of lack of capital. And the lack of capital is the ability to get funds to continue and keep the lights on so you can start making money. So let us help you. Let us make sure, let us show you how you can do that. Let us show you how you can start gaining the credit or the loans or anything that you need in order to the sufficient capital to just continue doing your business and become wealthy. Guys, my name is Carlos Estrada. Hey, this is the Credit Assassins team. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you click on the bell icon, click on all, but at the same time, give me the thumbs up. That is going to give me, you guys can help me out to actually help with the algorithm of YouTube, so like that we can get in front of more people and we bring this message. I want to say something else, but let's just talk about message. I want to make sure that this message, this content goes in front of other people, and I want to make sure that you guys help me out with this too, okay? I appreciate it. All right, so building strong credit score, this is just like your personal credit. It requires attention to detail. Guys, there are 4 components in order to optimize your business credit and make sure that you start getting those bigger credit lines and credit cards that you need in order for you to scale your business. So guys, so let's talk about the first component. Now, the first component is you need to have open credit files, which means that you need to have a file with all 3 credit bureaus, which is Experian, Dun & Bradstreet, and you'll also have your Equifax. It needs to be your legal entity. So if the name of your company is 123 Main Street LLC, it needs to show in every bureau that legal name. 123 LLC cannot be 321 Main Street LLC or Main Street LLC, because if it's wrong, your credit cards, your vendor on Tradelines will not report, and this is going to cause you a lot of headaches. Now, one of the things, and you need to start getting in the habit of, is making sure that your name appears everywhere you go, every vendor, and confirm, because sometimes the person in the other side of the phone, the other side of the counter, misheard you or mistyped. Confirm that your legal entity appears on these vendors, on these credit cards, on these lenders information just the way that it appears in the Secretary of State filing, because when you file your entity, it needs to be filed with your state Secretary of State, and that's the name that is the legal name of your entity, and that's what needs to be filed with all 3 credit bureaus. So guys, so let's talk about business component number 2. Now, it is having a bank loan or installment credit. This could be, so this is often called as comparable credit. Why is that? It's because as a bank see that you had a loan prior or an installment on credit, they could see, they could compare that you have the ability to pay these bills on time, or that you are responsible enough to go ahead and continue to have more credit. Now, this can be a bank loan, a CD, or even a secure loan with your bank. Now, you can also use a lease or purchase, or lease or a vehicle purchase that can also go into the credit report. Now, the main thing that you need to take consideration is and make sure, and even though when you actually go through, make sure that they report to all 3 credit bureaus. All right, guys, so business component number 3, having 3 business credit cards. Now, this can be a bank credit card or store or retail credit card. Now, one of the things you need to make sure is that they just don't report, or they don't report to you personal, because some of these credit cards, instead of reporting to the business credit, will report to your personal side. And some of them only report to the credit bureaus if you are ever late or defaulted. So you don't want that, guys. One of the main things, you need to make sure that they report to all 3 credit bureaus. Now, after you take our business financial pre-qualification test, we will let you know which credit cards report and to which credit bureaus. So business component number 4, having 5 vendor trade lines reported to your credit bureau. It's something that we call the net 30s. Sometimes you see a net 30, net 60s, and net 90s. So 5 vendor lines. Now, there are many companies out there in the United States that report or extend credit to all the businesses and report to the credit agencies. Now, for example, in the United States, it's estimated that 500,000 businesses offer vendor-to-vendor credit lines to all the businesses, but it's only estimated that 1% of those, which is about 5,000, only report to the credit bureaus. Remember, all 3 credit bureaus: Experian, Dun & Brad, and just Equifax. Now, guys, after you take the business financial pre-qualification test, we will let you know which vendors do actually report into which credit bureaus. So what I'm trying to get to is, guys, you need to learn the foundation on how to start getting business credit. And these are 4 components that are very essential for you to start creating that strong credit score or business credit score. Now, guys, I want you to actually get into this software. What software is called the 360 Business Vantage. This is going to help you. We have the business financial pre-qualification test that will let you know where your business stands. And we want to make sure we help you. Like I said before, and we're actually running this, and I want to make sure that you guys understand that the first thousand businesses that come through our software will come in for free. We want to make sure we help you. We want to give back. We're blessed that we have the proper training, proper mentors, proper help, the wealth that we're actually getting from actually helping others. And we want to make sure we start giving back. We are giving back by doing this because we want to make sure that you also create the generational wealth that you deserve. So, guys, hey, look, we still have the wait list. If you are interested, you see the number in the bottom. Just give us a call. Make sure that you get yourself on the wait list, or you go down in the video. It's going to be a couple links in which you can either get some of a free gift, but at the same time get yourself on the wait list. This software is going to be fully launched the first week of May 2022. We want to make sure that you get in. Don't wait. Don't be one of the last ones, because then you're going to regret it. You're going to have to pay for it. And look, we want to make sure that we help you as well. Now, guys, thank you for being here today. Thank you. If this video, this content helped you, make sure you give us a comment. Let us know how we did. Let us know how we can do better. How can we bring this content a little bit better for you, because there's always room for improvement. But we want to make sure that you know we are the only company in the United States doing this for you. There's no other company with the software we have. There's no other companies giving back just the way we are. And there's no other company out there that has the same knowledge that our team has. Like I said, we have more than 100,000 hours of knowledge that we bring to you, and we're learning every single day new tricks of the trade. So we have the manpower to make sure that we make the research and stay up to date with all the changes happening with all your personal and business credit. Guys, my name is Carlos Estrada. I am the Credit Assassin. I want you to go ahead and subscribe, click on the bell icon, click on all. Make sure you give me the thumbs up so like that we can continue bringing this value to you and to many, many more. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?